chicken shack. But what we are doing, gonna be doing is we are going to be singing Steve's Lava Chicken
And playing.
with Mr. Brett right here, who is going to be playing and singing at the same time. I would give him a good shout out. You don't have to. I'm the sister. I can do it. I mean, you can if you want. But let's start going.
Lava.
Chicken